Welcome to Life Noggin. As time goes on, our bodies go through a lot of changes. These changes don't just affect how we look, but how we feel as well. Many of these changes are unavoidable. But did you know that some foods may help protect your body against age-related diseases? Botanically speaking, a berry is a fruit that has seeds inside a soft, fleshy middle layer between a fruit's outer skin and inner seeds. Tomatoes, grapes, bananas, and even pumpkins are all considered berries. It's often enjoyed hot, but can also be served cold. It has a grassy flavor, and many people enjoy drinking it after a meal. They're delicious, easy to prepare, and packed with nutrients. Some common examples of berries include blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. While many of these changes are unavoidable, research suggests that eating a healthy diet may help protect your body against many chronic conditions associated with aging. So be sure to load up on cruciferous veggies, nuts, berries, tomatoes, and green tea. Though they're called berries, botanically speaking, there are two types of berries. And then watch this video to learn about 5 surprising habits that can make you age faster. Or click this other link to watch this video instead. As always, this has been Life Noggin. Don't forget to keep on thinking. One type is what we commonly refer to as berries, like blueberries. The other type is made up of aggregate fruits, which means the so-called berries are actually made up of many small fruits that grow together, such as blackberries and raspberries. Regardless of how they're classified, berries are definitely good for your health. Berries are high in fiber, which can help promote healthy digestion. This is especially important as people age, since digestive issues like constipation become more common. Berries are also high in antioxidants, which help protect the body from free radical damage. Studies have found that eating berries may help lower your risk of developing many chronic conditions. For example, research suggests that berries may help reduce your risk of heart disease, diabetes, and some cancers. One study published in the journal Aging Cell found that eating a diet rich in berries may slow the aging process. In the study, mice were fed either a normal diet or a diet supplemented with 1% berries. The mice that ate the berry-enriched diet had fewer age-related health problems and lived longer than the control group. While this study was done on mice, the results suggest that eating berries may be a simple way to improve overall health and potentially extend lifespan. Unlike other teas, green tea is not fermented, which means that the leaves are processed less, allowing more of their natural compounds to remain in the tea. One of these compounds is Epigallocca techingallate, or EGCG. EGCG is a catechin, a type of flavonoid. Flavonoids are a group of phytonutrients or natural compounds found in plants. While research is still ongoing, studies suggest that EGCG may offer a number of health benefits. For example, one study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that drinking green tea may help lower blood pressure, which can reduce your risk of developing heart disease and stroke. Another study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that drinking green tea may help improve insulin sensitivity. Insulin is a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar levels, so improving insulin sensitivity may help protect against diabetes. Finally, studies have found that green tea may help protect against certain cancers. One study published in the International Journal of Cancer found that people who drank more green tea had a lower risk of developing breast cancer. So if you're looking for a tasty way to potentially protect your body as you age, consider adding green tea to your diet. Though tomatoes are often used in savory dishes, they're actually technically fruits, since they meet the botanical definition. Because tomatoes are fruits, they contain vitamins and minerals that are usually found in fruits rather than veggies. Tomatoes are a great source of vitamin C and lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Lycopene is what gives tomatoes their vibrant red color, and it's this pigment that has many potential health benefits. Some studies suggest that eating lots of tomatoes may lower the risk of certain cancers and heart disease. One study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who consumed higher levels of tomato extract had lower levels of inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is associated with many diseases, including arthritis, allergies, and cancer. So keeping inflammation levels low may be key to maintaining good health as you get older. While this study didn't specifically look at elderly people, the participants were between 18 and 75 years old. The researchers concluded that increasing your intake of tomatoes may be a simple way to reduce inflammation throughout the body and reduce your risk of developing chronic diseases. In honor of International Day of Older Persons, celebrated annually on October, let us take a look at 5 foods that can help keep your body protected as you get older. When you think of nuts, you may picture images of squirrels burying acorns in the fall, or maybe even cracking open a nut to enjoy a tasty snack. But did you know that nuts and seeds can also benefit your health? Nuts and seeds come from various plants, and some examples include almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, and pumpkin seeds. While there are many different types of nuts and seeds, they're generally packed with nutrients like healthy fats, protein, fiber, and antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect the body's cells from free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause cell damage. Over time, free radical damage can increase your risk of developing chronic diseases, such as cancer and heart disease. Research suggests that eating nuts and seeds may help lower your risk of developing these chronic conditions. One study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who ate more nuts had lower levels of LDL, or bad cholesterol. High levels of LDL can increase your risk of developing heart disease. Other research suggests that eating nuts and seeds may also help protect against certain cancers. For example, a study published in the British Journal of Cancer found that eating more nuts and seeds was associated with a lower risk of breast cancer. Nuts and seeds are high in fiber and healthy fats, which may be why they offer so many health benefits. Fiber helps regulate digestion and can help prevent constipation, which is common as people age. Nuts and seeds are also high in vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that helps protect the body's cells from free radical damage. 5. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable, meaning it belongs to the same family as cabbage, cauliflower, kale, and Brussels sprouts. It gets its name from the way the plant's flowers grow in a tight head or cluster. The word broccoli comes from the Italian word for sprout. Cruciferous vegetables are so named because of the 4-petaled flowers which resemble a cross. Not only does broccoli have a cool name, but it also has a number of health benefits. This veggie is packed with nutrients such as vitamins A, C, K, and B6, as well as fiber, calcium, and potassium. Studies suggest that eating cruciferous veggies like broccoli may lower the risk of developing certain chronic conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, and even some cancers. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, a compound found in many cruciferous veggies that gives them their slightly bitter flavor. Sulforaphane is thought to be one of the most beneficial compounds in broccoli. Test tube studies suggest that sulforaphane may play a role in preventing and killing cancer cells. While more research is needed, one test tube study suggests that sulforaphane may also help prevent the formation of age-related brain cells. Researchers exposed rat brain cells to sulforaphane and found that it helped protect the cells against oxidative damage. Another test tube study found that sulforaphane was effective at reducing inflammation in the brain cells of rats with Alzheimer's disease. Though more research is needed, these findings suggest that broccoli could be a great addition to the diet of anyone looking to maintain good brain health as they age. 4. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a type of berry. Those juicy red orbs are actually berries. 3. Nuts and seeds. 2. Green tea. Green tea is a type of tea that is made from unprocessed leaves. 1. Berries. Berries are a staple in many people's diets, and for good reason. The human body goes through many changes as it ages. Now it's time for some fun. Click the link above to subscribe to our channel.